This Seventh-day Adventist choir, the Dominion Voices, through the viral power across their digital space, their songs have encouraged people. The Dominion Voices is more than a choir.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Reach Out TV.
In a world where voices arise to inspire, comfort, and heal, Dominion Voices stand as a beacon of hope, rooted in the timeless message of hope and faith and grace. This Seventh-day Adventist choir has touched countless of hearts. From the heartfelt harmonies of Suluhu to the uplifting anthems of Petelo. The Dominion Voices speak to the spiritual aspect of a human being, and they take your soul and my soul to another level. Across their digital space, their songs have encouraged people, they have given faith, and they have moved the souls of people to the next level. The Dominion Voices is more than a choir. Its ministry, it's one that transcends borders and reaches different languages. Through the viral power of TikTok platforms, the Dominion Voices have reached new generations. Their music, paired with innovative challenges, showcase the timeless appeal of the message in the modern world. The journey continues as the Dominion Voices invites you to their next milestone.
Subiri wakati wa Mungu waja ayajua, yote unayopitia atakujibu kwa wakati wake.